Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please give us a call if you guys are looking to improve your credit score, lower your car payment, buy a car, trade in a car. If you're looking to purchase your first home, if you're looking to purchase a rental property, we can help you. Give us a call today, 877-205-7771. Talk to you guys soon, and thanks again. Hello everyone, this is Calvin Russell, CEO and founder of 850 Club Credit Consultation. Hope everyone's doing well today. Today we're going to talk about what is not on your credit report. All right. So I know a lot of people, when they look at their credit report, they always look for, certain items and things of that sort. But there's a lot of stuff that's not on your credit report that you may not know about. All right. So let's get straight into it. Number one, your income. Your income is not on your credit report. That does not mean that credit bureaus do not have access to your income, because they most definitely do, but it is not going to be on your consumer credit report. They have so much information that's about you. You have to understand how credit bureaus even started, especially Equifax. Equifax was, more so the company version of, let's say, like the yellow pages or the white pages. They had a lot of, they still have, and today they are one of the top resources for information for people, from people, as well as Experian. And they're talking about how many kids you have, your marriage status, how, of course, your income, how much you make, what type of house you live in, what type of work you're in, what industry of the work that you're in. It's a lot of information that these companies have about you, and they can do so much with it. Okay, but again, just because they have it does not mean it is on your credit report. So none of that stuff I just mentioned is on your credit report. Number two, unfortunately, your utility bills. Now, depending on what state you're in, there was a period of time where certain companies were being beta tested, okay? So for example, if you're in Illinois, you may have noticed a period where People's Gas was on your credit report, all right? So again, the reason why they did that was to help people improve their credit scores. The problem is, with it being, of course, Illinois, it gets cold, gas, a lot of, homes are ran off of gas heat. So if they couldn't afford to pay, their utility bills for People's Gas, here locally in Illinois, then unfortunately they would report those late payments and their score would drop. So that's the part where a lot of people, had they known, because that's another thing, when you sign up with, with People's Gas, even if you do have some type of disclaimer, it's probably somewhere in the fine print or something like that. But to my knowledge, no one ever got told that they were a part of a program in which it was going to be reported to the credit bureaus, okay? But for the most part, about 98 to 99% of states do not have a program in which there are utility companies that that report to the credit bureaus. Number three, your cell phone bill. Again, another bill that you probably pay on time every single month that is not on your credit report, all right? Most utility bills are not going to be on there. I don't have to go down the list like internet, cable, home phone. All that stuff is not going to be on your credit report, all right? We know what's on your credit report, whatever you see, all right? But at the same time, marriage status, all that type of stuff, even though they have all of that major stuff that's out there, is not going to be on your credit report. Now, as far as background information, this is not a background check. So as far as like criminal records, even if, let's say for example, you got a speeding ticket or something, they sent that to collections, so they can't see if that speeding ticket, suspended your license or something like that. So that's not going to be on your credit report. Your previous job will be on your credit report, but again, only for credit reporting purposes, just to make sure that you are you and that you do have a job. Now, if you got fired from that job, or you no longer work there, or you worked at the company longer than that's on there, keep in mind, with everything I just mentioned, you can update everything that's on your credit report as well. Okay, that's at no charge. The easiest, fastest way to update personal information on your credit report is to actually call the credit bureaus. If you need the numbers, I'll put them down on the description to make that process a lot faster. So, but those are the most top things that I get asked. Are these particular items on my credit report? There's a lot more that's not on there. I always say take a look at your credit report. One of the easiest free ways is going to be going through Credit Karma. And but don't worry, I do have another platform that we're going to start talking about, just because they just came out with special pricing, for 850 Club members and of course our viewers as well. We'll talk about that on another video. So of course, if you like this video, like it. If you want to share it, as I'm sure you know people that are looking for, you know, multiple things that are not on their credit report. And of course, this video will help them. And be sure to subscribe as we got a lot of great content on the way. Thank you guys so much. Talk with you soon.